we can enter purchase rep, we can enter tax ID number for this vendor. We can select the ship via. There are few shipping methods: airborne, courier, hand deliver, like that. We can select shipping method. Here we can select the form options, whether we can select paper form or email. So if you want to send the purchase order from by print, you can select paper form, and if you want to select, or if you want to send purchase order via email, you can select email. And you can take this email purchase rep using match processing to send form, and replace item ID by SKU or part number. Then you can select terms and condition. This is the default terms and condition. Net due in 30 days, discount in 0 days, discount percent 0%, and credit limit is 5,000. If you want to change or edit this, you can select this customize terms for this vendor, and you can edit these details. You can change the dates. You can select the credit limit, discount percentage, and discount days, like that. These details you can change. Next, payment settings. Here you can select the payment method: by cash, checks, or credit card, like that. You can select the payment method, and you can select the cash account. After enter these details, you can save this vendor. And if you click this save and new, system will save this vendor, and screen will clear for add a new vendor. We'll add another vendor. Like this, we can create vendors. After that, we can view the list of vendors. You can see the list of vendors. You can view vendor ID, vendor name, contact person name, telephone number, type, balance. So you can sort this table by clicking these headings. You can sort by ascending or descending order. You can view this arrow. It will display the how this table has sorted, and you can add columns by clicking this settings button. And if you want to add any column, you can select that column and you can click this add. And if you want to remove any column, you can select that column and you can remove. Furthermore, you can select this order. You can rearrange, move up, move down, like that. You can rearrange this list. Like that, you can create your vendors in Sage 50 accounting software.